सुकेश का सच क्या है?
He was paying regular haftas to various officials in the prisons. Rank-wise, the rates were fixed. 200 crores which he received. Everything was through Hawala transaction. When I joined as police commissioner, my batchmate who was in the ED as director, he called me up. It's a very serious thing. In the name of Union Home Minister and the Union Home Secretary, the extortion calls are going. Somebody from the jail calling in the name of the Union Home Minister, and when you receive a call, it will be from 011 and MHA's number. Sir, this number is active from Tihar Jail.
कि Bollywood actresses who are linked with him like Jacqueline, Fernandez, there's Nora, Fatehi and other models, they visited him in the jail.
He had put a green curtain to cover the CCTV which has been placed there, and behind that curtain he used to make a call.
सुकेश जैसे लोगों के पास ये कॉन्फिडेंस कहाँ से आता है कि वो ऐसा कर सकते हैं? एक पूरे सिस्टम को कौन कर सकते हैं?
By paying bribes to the jail officials, he was enjoying those facilities. From jail, they were directing their journeys to commit crime.